What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a Molly boy in Texas, back with another video. Today, I got a review of the Bluedio U version 2 wireless over-the-ear headphones sporting Bluetooth 5.0, Bluedio's patented 8 PPS drivers, 2 50mm drivers for low frequency or the bass, and 6 20mm drivers for mids and highs. So this thing is pumping out an unbelievable amount of sound at this price point. Okay, $100. Now I will compare it to two other Bluedio headphones that I have, the original Bluedio U and the Bluedio F2s. Quick comparisons. Okay, this is going to be more of a quick video. It's not going to be a super long video. Probably be less than 20 minutes. So, well, that's still kind of long. But first off, let's get to the build quality. Build quality for the Bluedio U version 2s are fantastic. Okay, pretty much sporting the same design as the original Bluedio U's. Bluedio U version 2s is pretty much has more metal on it, slightly more metal. As you can see, aluminum. I think it's aluminum. Aluminum here, and this is aluminum. I'll show you the difference. The Bluedio U's, okay, right here. Okay, it's aluminum right there, but this part right here, that's plastic. This part right here, that's plastic. Okay, and you can see a little. I already. This thing has a crack right here already, but that was a mistake. I did drop this pair of headphones. I did not mean to do it. My cat got in my way. I had to instinctively not dodge and not step on her by accident, and I lost my balance and dropped the headphones. So. The Bluedio U version 1 has a little bit more plastic on it. This is mostly entirely metal. Okay, one plastic part right here is the same part as the Bluedio U's. Okay, like the front here is aluminum, but the back here has a plastic case or something, plastic lining on top. So that might crack if you drop it. Just be careful with these headphones. Okay, these are expensive headphones. You do not want to drop these. You don't want to break them. Okay, let's see. But other than that, the build quality, okay, it stretches fine. It fits my head fine. I can wear it 2 to 3 hours at a time before I have to take it off because it is hot. I would imagine wintertime or like a nice brisk fall day or wintertime, wearing these hours on end would be no problem. Okay, the sweat won't build up and whatnot. But as of right now, South Texas, 100+ degree weather, high humidity, weather sucks. 2 to 3 hours max, I can bear to wear these things. All in all, it is still comfortable. It's pretty much the same comfort-wise as the original Bluedio U's. Now, let's talk about sound quality. Sound quality is fantastic. Okay, the mids and highs are crystal clear and sharp, pretty much on par with the original Bluedio U's. I think nice balanced mids and highs. Now, what separates the Bluedio U2s from the version version 1, the original ones, is the bass and the volume. Bass on this thing hits slightly harder than the original Bluedio U's. Okay, turned up to full volume. All right, on my phone, my phone jacked up all the way and full volume on this thing. Okay, it shakes my pieces of fat here I have on my neck here, or my chin. I should my chin. It shakes it. The bass hits hard. Okay, just a little bit of haptic feedback from these headphones when it's at full volume. Okay, so I'm shocked. The bass hits hard on this thing. Not as hard as something like Skull Candy Crushers, but it gives off that same feeling. It reaches almost the Skull Candy Crusher. So this thing is pretty loud as well. The volume-wise, it's slightly louder than the original Bluedio U's. So volume and bass, Bluedio U version 2 pretty much kicks it up a notch, where the Bluedio U and the Bluedio version 2 mids and highs are pretty much on the same level or close to it. Okay, let's see what else. The range. Okay, I did my range test where I leave my cell phone here in the living room. I did my 30 feet test. Now I got to around 30, little past 30 feet, and it was rock solid. Rock solid all the way through. Bluetooth 5.0 is really remarkable. I mean, no stutters whatsoever. I cut into my daughter's room about 25 feet down the hallway, and the walls, even the walls blocking, you know, the walls in between my cell phone and these Bluedio U's, I did not chop out. I didn't get any choppiness or whatsoever. Now, as soon as I got to 35 feet, instant chopping. You start to chop, chop, chop. So it's like on a plateau when it's in solid connection all the way up to like 30, 33 feet, and that's what it says, 33 feet. So, and it just plateaus down right at 35 feet. That's when it starts to chop. Okay. Now battery life. It had a full battery when I received it, fully charged. Now I did not stick it on the charger yet. I did not. Okay, I got this almost a week ago, about 5 days ago, and I've been testing it about 3 to 4 hours a day, about 3 hours a day for the past 5 days. So I got around 15 hours of listening time on this, and I think the listening time with Bluedio states is 25 hours, so that's pretty good as well. So I mean, battery is good. I've used it 15 hours. I haven't had it to charge it yet, so I don't know how long it'll actually take, but I'll leave an update comment down below on how long it takes to drain the battery. I'll let you know when this thing does die. The battery dies anyway. Okay, let's see. But yeah, let me point out 2 cons about this headphones, okay, real quick, because those are the good parts: the build quality, the sound, the volume, the bass, all big pluses in my book. Now, 2 cons that I got when I listened to these headphones. One is this thing is billed as a pair of smart type of headphones. Okay, when you get the headphones, you get the booklet. There's a QR code, okay, in the back of the book. So you scan that code with your phone, you know, your QR scanner. It'll take you to the website where you can download the Bluedio Alexa app. Now, the Bluedio Alexa app is bugged. Okay, it's not working yet. I couldn't get it to work. Here's a couple screenshots right here. I couldn't get it to work as of right now. I mean, I tried a lot of things. I could not get this app to work. It kept on saying permission needed for my location, but I didn't understand because my location was already checked, and it said lock app to the phone, and I locked it. I mean, I don't understand. I couldn't get it to work. But in all due fairness, on the Amazon ad, okay, of the Bluedio U version 2s, it does state that the app is still under construction. So it could be that I got an early model and the app is not working yet. Maybe when you folks see this video, the app will be working, but I'll be testing out the app, trying to get it to work every day, or I might just delete it and re-download it again and see if that works. But yeah, the app it doesn't work for me. Now, one thing that the Bluedio U, the original Bluedio U's, has over the Bluedio U version 2 is the 3D sound. Okay, 3D DSP sound. When you get the original Bluedio U's, you can just listen to a default style where it pumps out great music. I mean, very similar to what you listen to on Bluedio U version 2s. But when you turn it on, you have the option, you hold you long press the forward button, you can switch it to 3D DSP sound, and when you got that 3D sound on, you watch your movies, your TV shows and whatnot with it, and it sounds really good. It's perfect for movies and TV shows. Not so perfect for music. The music, it sounds okay, but not as good as it should sound with the 3D sound on. Okay, I mean, you turn that 3D sound off on the Bluedio U's, you long press it back, you hold the back button, you know, long press it, you'll shut off the 3D sound, and you're good to go with music. Again, music sounds great, sounds fantastic. So, Bluedio U version 2s does not have that. I tried it. I didn't hear any significant difference, so I'm pretty sure this does not have 3D sound. What this does have is Bluedio's 7.1 surround sound, so it's kind of a balance. So if, like, you were gonna listen to music, watch movies, watch YouTube videos, like all balanced, like you have a blend between movies and TV shows, I think the Bluedio U version 2s will suit you better. If you're gonna just listen to pure music, you're not gonna watch any movies at all, the Bluedio U 2s will suit you better. Now, if you're gonna get a set of headphones for just watching movies, TV shows, and whatnot, I'd have to go with the original Bluedio U's. Okay, the 3D sound is amazing. It does make a difference. Okay, it's fantastic. It is fantastic. Makes a difference. Trust me. If you already got the original Bluedio U's, you know what I'm talking about. We got these original versions. Okay? Now, but yeah, the Bluedio U version 2 pretty much kicked the crap out of Bluedio U version 1. Pretty much in every category except the 3D sound. This doesn't have it. Okay? But it has Bluetooth SOIF 7.1, so it got this 7 point, kind of like simulate 7.1. I don't know if it's true 7.1 sound, but it sounds pretty close and it sounds good. The thing is, on my phone, I have the app, the LG G7, and I turn on, oh, I got a text. I turn on DTSX, okay, DTSX, and it gives me 3 sound profiles: wide, front, and sides. Okay, wide is like an open stage, like you're in an open, you know, like symphony hall. Now, front is basically self-explanatory. The music's coming from the front. It sounds like the music's coming from the front, and side by side, where the music sounds coming from the side. So I enable DTSX on my LG G7 with the music coming from the side, and it's a perfect experience for me. It enhances the sound to my liking. Okay, other people out there will have different tastes. Now, those who don't have a LG G7 or LG V30, LG V35, don't worry, because even without that DTSX on, these things do sound fantastic. Alright, it does sound good. Now let me talk about comparison, how this compares to the Bluedio Faith 2s. Okay, the Bluedio Faith 2s are a wonderful pair of headphones, but the Bluedio U outclasses the F2s in almost every way. Okay, mids and highs again though. Mids and highs, they're pretty much balanced. They're even. Mids and highs, crystal clear, balanced. Now when it comes to bass, Bluedio U2 hits harder. When it comes to volume, Bluedio U2 is louder. But one feature that the Bluedio U2 does not have is active noise cancellation. Okay, the F2s have active noise cancellation. You have this little button here. You just click it on when you're listening to music, and it will filter out most of the sound around you. Okay, it does a pretty good job. Okay, I got my little 6-year-old running here yapping, yeah, la 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 la, and I got that active noise cancellation on, and this thing's at full volume. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything. The thing is though, the cons about having the F2s is when you have the active noise cancellation on, it dulls the sound a little bit, so it doesn't sound as good with active noise cancellation off. So pros and cons to that, the F2s. But yeah, when it comes to Bluedio, out of these 3 headphones, the Bluedio U2 pretty much wins out in most categories. Okay, and I can totally recommend picking up the Bluedio U version 2s. Okay, $100, it's totally worth it. You can get it on sale. Sometimes there's promo codes. Sometimes it's on sale for 89 bucks. It's a steal. I got it for 89 bucks. Okay, I got it. I found a promo code and I got it. Okay, for 89 bucks. So keep on checking the link down below. If there's promos, I'll list it down below as well. Sometimes if you're an Amazon Prime member, the code's automatic, but I'll keep an eye out for promo codes for you folks. Alright, but yeah, that was my Bluedio U version 2 wireless over-the-ear headphone review. Now come next week, okay, I got another Bluedio U2 version video coming out, and I'm gonna be comparing these headphones to my Ghost Tech Rapture wireless over-the-ear headphones. Now they have totally different designs and they do totally different things, but sound quality on both are very similar and extremely good. I'll let you know next week how those things sound and compare the two. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a great video. But yeah, it's Guddang 775, just the Mile Boy in Texas. Hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.